What's up, traders and investors? TKP. I want to take the time to go over Bitcoin for a couple minutes. We had a massive drop in Bitcoin and all cryptos after a little visit from our friend Elon Musk. And we got a lot of people scared right now. So I want to just take a couple minutes and look at Bitcoin and let you guys know what I think or what I see using technical analysis. Okay, cool. So first I want to show the Bitcoin play was sent out March, actually, when Bitcoin retested 4,700. I sent out a buy at this point. From there, you guys know what happened with Bitcoin. Some of you guys were able to catch some of those moves, and that is amazing. It's been a blessing. But at this point, Bitcoin was respecting this trend line. Let me turn off my EMA for a second. Bitcoin was respecting this trend line here. We have multiple tests and rejections at this point. But here the trend line was broken and prices now come down to retest previous support. Now, at this point, price is breaking below support, but it doesn't mean we should panic. We should always wait on the close of the candle before we determine true direction, because it's very well could be a situation where price does this or maybe that and breaks back above to retest the trend line or the highs where the trend line originally broke. So that's one possibility. The other possibility of Bitcoin is price continuing the fall, breaking support, maybe retesting this level, the 382 or maybe even the 50, and coming back down to retest this particular zone here. Another strong area of support. So we're looking at this as a potential pullback area right around here at the 2800 level. And if we go out to the weekly, if this level isn't respected, potential areas that the market could go depending on price action. And again, these are all just different areas of support in the market. Like I said, if this level is broken, we can expect a retest of maybe this level. If it's not held here, we'll get a retest down here around in this zone. So either way it goes, people, depending on your broker, you are allowed to buy or sell Bitcoin. So there's no need to panic. Just be patient. Right now on the daily, we are right on the 200 EMA. And in most cases, once price touches the EMA, you may get a little dip below, but it normally bounces off the 200 EMA, which would fit right into a situation that I kind of drew out on the chart that I have all of my analysis on. I'm looking at this as a potential buy opportunity. I noticed price moving in this upward channel for Bitcoin. After the break, we called a sell. And like I said, now we're here. This will be our stop loss right underneath. We probably should drop this a bit. Underneath the 200 EMA, and that will give us a 1 to 10 risk reward ratio. And since we risk 3% on our trades, it would be risking 3 for 30% with this Bitcoin setup. And also, like I said, if our stop loss is hit and the sale continues, the only thing that we would have to do is wait on a close, a complete break of our zone, retest of our zone, and we would enter in on the downside. But again, price is on the 200 EMA. And in most cases, we get a rejection at this area. So if price respects this zone and the 200 EMA as valid support and wicks back into our support zone and we get a close, then we'll hold this trade to see how far it can go. Maybe to see if it can even retest the highs, if not break to create all-time highs. But in this case, we won't be greedy. Wow. Just using our fib, this low is at the 618. So we may just take our TP to the 618 just so we don't be greedy, and we'll make this a 1 to 6 trade, which is still fine. It's over our minimum requirement, which is 1 to 3. So again, this is what I'm looking at for Bitcoin right now. Thank you for your time. You guys be safe. Again, don't try to hit home runs, but every swing, it's all about account management. Be safe. Happy trading.